The following message was transmitted at the request of the Zootopian government. A dangerous situation is happening to the downtown area of Zootopia at 4:30 p.m. Zootopian Daylight Time. The mayor of Zootopia has confirmed that a nuclear missile from Russia is heading for Zootopia. All residents of the 200-mile radius of the downtown area should seek into a bomb shelter immediately. The nuclear missile was not the only place that was about to get hit. It was possible it will hit the United States as well. The mayor of Zootopia, including the United States government, will handle this situation. Please stand by.